Hey guys, this is Patricia and I'm going to show you how to make stars. I just started with a div and I named it class star 6 because I'm going to do a 6-point star. We're going to make 2 triangles and overlap one over the other to create a star. So here we go. Oh, I don't know why. Star 6. Okay, I'm gonna start with the border. I'm gonna start with the bottom just because and I'm gonna add the color right now so you can see it when I change it. Right, it's gonna be 50 pixels. I want it to be solid, but I don't want to see it, so I'm going to make it transparent. Left 2. I'm gonna be the same. It's gonna be the same. Okay, if you see something like this, we're gonna add a width and a height so we can fix this. If you just watch it like this, it doesn't look like that triangle. Not at all. And I wrote it in the wrong way. There it is. By the way, I'm pretty good at getting mistakes when I write. I'm not good at spelling. So bear with me. I'm really sorry. Then, oh yeah, height. Just it's like that. If it's not, then I'll fix it. And I'm sure I got it in the wrong way again. Height. Okay. There. No. We're gonna add a position so it doesn't move. There. Now we have one triangle for the star. And I'm gonna copy this because I don't want to make the same mistakes. And I'm gonna add a after, and I'm going to create another triangle, I hope. I'm not sure why it's not appearing in there, but I'm gonna fix it. Okay, there it is. Now I want it to be over the other triangle, and I'm gonna use top and left. to move it. Okay, I'm gonna use top. And how about 10 pixels? Nope, a little bit more. 20. Yeah, how about 30? I think that's it. That's it. Yes. And I'm gonna move it to the left because right now it's over here and I want it over, just like that. So it must be a negative number so I can move it, because when we use left it moves it to the right. How about 30? Like, nope, not 40. This is just like playing. Okay, there it is. And just like that we made a 6-point star. So if you have another way to do it, just let me know, and if you got confused by my explanation, I'm really sorry. This is the first time I've done this kind of explanation. So thank you for watching this.